Hello everyone, my name is Philapat Senawat, number 049. Today I will present the topic of beta. Scientific name Beta spendens reagent. History. It is a fish that Thai people have known well since ancient times. The original species of fighting fish from nature are often referred to as tung beta or tung fighting fish or white fighting fish. Due to this behavior that lied to by its author, make it popular to be used for fighting its author as a kind of gambling of Thai people, and the breed and the ability to buy tactics have been developed to date until becoming one of the uniqueness of Thailand and known to foreigners as Siamese fighting fish by Hugh McCormick Smith, had played an important role in making the fighting fish widely known at the level. He wrote an article titled The Fighting Fish of Siam in Korea Magazine number 159, Scientific Journal number 2, and Natural History Journal number 39, describing his unique characteristics of fighting fish such as severing fights, fish fighting beating competition in Thailand, including because of the beta fish species for racing for gambling and beating. Characteristics. The anal fin is long to the caudal fin. The tail is flat and long. It has respiratory organs on the water surface by using its mouth to absorb air without passing through the gills like other fish. Pectoral scales are tinoid, cover up to the head, thin lips, big eyes. The first pair of long pectoral fins for tusk. Male fish are iridescent, brown and blue or green. The fins are red and have a dotted yellow strip, while the female fish are pale in color and the body size is noticeably smaller. Species. 7 species of beta are recognized. First, Siamese fighting fish, white beta, cartel, half moon, sing beta, Madoprebrat, and delta. Distribution and habitats. It is very distributed in small shallow still water of all parts of Thailand only. Behavior. They tend to be solitary in confined space because they are very aggressive in the same fish species. Males, when they meet, will swell. They grills swell, brushing into color and beating, which at times may bite until they spend mating. And mating, the male is the one to form the head, attaches to various materials above the water surface. The eggs incubate for 2 days, with the male fish taking care of the eggs and larvae without allowing female fish to be involved. Thank you for your attention.